equals the blades on your Thermomix TM31 make a terrible noise. We are Kelatos IT, experts in tech repairs. We pick up your device from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no running around. We are located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. The noise typically indicates that the blades are either damaged or blocked. Regular use can wear them down or debris could be interfering with their operation. We check the blades, clean your device and replace any faulty parts. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.